theories of trade union. Third theory we are going to discuss, that is Webb's theory of industrial democracy. Webb's theory of industrial democracy propounded by Sidney and Beatrice Webb. Question is here, why trade unions were created? We have already read about views of two thinkers, that was Karl Marx and Tannenbaum. Why trade unions were created? Let's see what's the view of Webb's. According to Sidney and Beatrice Webb, trade unionism was an outcome of chain of supply. We all know what is the chain of supply. In chain of supply, the customer, which creates pressure on employer, and ultimately workers are pressurized for everything. Why? Because they are the real producers of that particular product or service. See, look here. This is a chain of supply. Here an employer, then wholesaler, then retailer, then customer. Production is being done here, and this is the chain of supply. That product comes here, then come to the retailer, and ultimately customer get that particular product or services. See, if there is any change in the taste and demand of customer that directly affects to workers, then what happens? Because employer have already invested his money in that, so what employer does, because he invested a lot of money for the production of that particular product. So what will he do now? He will not provide any benefits to the workers, or he may use layoff or retrenchment, or finally he has one option, that is termination of worker from that fact. So here we can say, who is the ultimate sufferer in that particular case? That is worker. And that was the reason, according to Webb's, why trade unions were created. See, here are two books, that is The History of Trade Unionism 1894 and Industrial Democracy 1897, and these two books known as Bibles of Trade Unionism. Now what the book Industrial Democracy does tell. See, Industrial Democracy tells trade unions are created to protect the interest of workers. How these interests will be protected? So answer is here, unions will make common rules. Common rules for what? To discuss with employers or to talk with employers related to pay minimum wages to workers, provide certain minimum working conditions to workers, or working hours related to safety measures, leave, and so on. Webb's also explained unions as the prime agents of industrial democracy in bringing equality between employers and employees in terms of bargaining power by giving voice to workers. So guys, remember here, Webb's also talk about bringing equality between employers and employees. Next is Webb's rejected the Marxist concept. They suggested peaceful means to reform capitalist society. Trade union will help in it, that is, trade unions perform permanent functions, not temporary. They are not talking about throwing the capitalist system. Rather, they are talking about peaceful measures to reform the capitalist society, because ultimately they want to establish a socialist society. They want to protect the workers' interests. Socialist society means socialist society where both private and public organizations sustain peacefully. So they wanted to follow this pattern, socialist society. So guys, that was all about the Webb's theory of industrial democracy. Thank you.